Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got the new ToVi Dante HDMI audio encoder module. This product makes it incredibly easy for you to add any HDMI media product to your Dante network by instantly converting that HDMI audio signal into a Dante signal that you can share with all of your remote locations. The product is both Dante and AES67 compliant, which means it's plug and play compatible with all of your Dante equipment. It also provides an adjustable Dante latency so you can perfectly match your network, as well as high-resolution audio conversion. It even provides dual power options. It's PoE compliant, which means when you plug this into a PoE capable network, all the power required for the operation of the module is sent over that LAN connection. And if you're using a non-PoE network, you can add external power through the USB-C port on the side. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included with the module. And then I'll take a closer look at the unit, and I'll explain the connections and indicators so you understand exactly how to use the product. And then I'll come back one more time and point out some of the special features that this product provides that you can use to compare it to other products you may be considering. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first pop open the box, you'll find the module. You'll also find two sticky pads you can use to mount this module up off the ground and out of the way, as well as a full instruction manual that explains connection diagrams, specifications, and a lot of good information about the product that you'll need to understand in order to use it correctly. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the module, and then I'll come back and point out some of those special features. This product has a high-impact plastic case which makes it lightweight and incredibly durable. On the top surface, you'll find a single LED labeled HDMI. When you connect the module to your device using an HDMI cable, that connection is checked by the module, and once it's been verified, this LED will come on indicating a solid connection to the device. On the one end of the module, you'll find a standard HDMI port that you can use to connect to your media device, and on the other end of the module is a standard LAN port for connecting to your network. Now, the module utilizes power over Ethernet technology, so if you plug this into a PoE capable switch, all the power required for operation of the module is sent over that single connection, which greatly simplifies your wiring. If you're using a standard non-PoE network, there's another power port right here on the side. It's a USB-C port. You can use this to connect to an external power supply to actually power the module. And finally, to the right of that is a small hole right there, and behind that is a reset switch. You can use a paper clip and gently push that reset button once power has been applied to reset the module to factory settings. I hope that closer look was helpful. Now, here are a few really important things to keep in mind when you're comparing the ToVi Dante HDMI audio encoder module with other products you may be considering. The first thing has to do with compatibility. This product is both Dante and AES67 compliant, which means it works well with a wide range of existing Dante equipment. It also provides an adjustable Dante latency through the Dante controller software, so you can perfectly match your network configuration. It even provides high-resolution audio conversion, which means you're going to have beautiful audio reproduction at all of your remote locations. And finally, it offers dual power options. It's PoE compliant, which means when you plug this into a PoE capable network, all the power required for operation is sent over that single LAN connection, but it also provides an external power connection in case you're connecting to a standard network, which makes your installation incredibly easy. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit, and with a few simple connections, you can be up and running in no time. So until next time, thanks again for watching, and stay nerdy.